Alright, this is part 2 of the door striker bolt for the front door. There we go. Oops. For Chevrolet square body Suburbans and trucks. This is a correct way to change the door striker bolts. Only an asshole would use electrical tape. I've seen idiots on here use that shit. It's the wrong way. So I'm going to spray with lubricant. I'm going to bust it loose. A little tight. Now I'm going to bust it loose. Oh, got it. Broken loose. Remember to hold it with a little pick. So it don't fall out. Just use that and get it wedged in between. Spray it with lubricant to make it easier to remove. Drench it nicely. A lot better than some asshole using electrical tape. I'm gonna get the door striker bolt thing ready, set it aside, and get my striker pin. You don't want this to drop, that's why you gotta hold it. Just make sure these are loose. Gotta bust it loose a little. There, we got it, bust it loose. Just hold it towards the outside of the truck. So you gotta put the pin and wedge it. And hold the thing with the just hold it. That's all you got to do toward the outside. Maybe. Maybe all you got to do is take off the... Oh. Well, you probably got to come in and wedge it. There we go. Wedge it toward the outside. See if a magnet will make it hold better. Yeah, it fell. So I got to unscrew this and remove that bolt for the seat belt. And hold it. So, got to take the trim panel off, and that's it.